This is the Kordz PRS SlimCat professional grade patch cord range. These products have been developed to enable professional integrators to make reliable category cable patching first time, every time. This innovative, high-density Category 6A patch cord delivers all the power of Cat 6A patch cables in half the size. Fully compatible with PoE++, capable of delivering 100 watts of power and 10 gigabits per second network connectivity, Kordz PRS SlimCat helps installers connect the next generation of network, AV and PoE devices. With just a 4.8mm diameter, Kordz PRS SlimCat Category 6A patch cords offer a significant space-saving advantage in dense rack installations, whilst being highly flexible. By reducing cable bundle sizes, it improves airflow, heat dissipation, performance and serviceability. The cables are terminated with a custom shielded slimline nylon connector with patented technology and feature a robust latch capable of withstanding over 2,000 bend cycles. The patch cords are available in 8 colours to suit your application needs. They are also available in a wide range of lengths, from the diminutive 0.15 metre all the way up to 30 metres. So no matter what your patching requirement is, the PRS SlimCat patch cord range has got you covered. For peace of mind, the cables are individually component level certified with test reports available online. Furthermore, it's all backed by the Kordz lifetime warranty. The Kordz PRS SlimCat patch cords are the robust, fast and effective choice for your next installation. Discover our SlimCat range at kordz.com.